flush. Now let's do this quickly because these are sort of busy.
Okay.
So maybe we'll try to make these quick.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Let's see. Korky flapper, Ingenium fill valve, Fluidmaster. Looks like 400A. 400 model, it says. This one's a bit different. 54, no, that's not a date. No date.
No date.
This one. What's that? Toto handle. Out of my way. I want to look at
Okay.
Ingenium. Yeah, 400A. We'll flush this afterward. It's almost touching, that looks like. In fact, it is touching. The Toto handle just barely fits in
Yeah,
here.
I can see that.
I wonder if it's going to get stuck up there. Let's see.
Let's find out.
It lifts up high enough. It hit it, but it went back down.
Cool.
Yeah. Let's try and make this quick, because this restroom is semi-busy, I think.
I think so too.
This restroom seems semi-busy, so let's try and make this quick.
Okay.
Wait for it to fill up.
Okay.
This stuff is nice and big. This stall's a bit bigger than most
I like
stalls.
it's bigger.
I like that.
It's easier to fill.
I like that. Come on. It's going to take longer than usual. Show the surroundings. Nice toilet. Looks like a pretty new bathroom, it looks like.
Yeah, it looks nicely well maintained also.
Looks modern. Looks pretty modern. Still kind of interesting.